Wait a minute.
Okay.
Hello friends, this is Shraddha Upadhyay, Impactspert Network GFE Group. Friends, today I am again with one of our new student who has recently completed his training, and again saying the same thing, that a student has completed this training, and this is basically okay. And what benefit he have got, what benefits our students are getting from our training, that is my motto, that is our GFE's motto, to make you understand those things. So today, a student named Rajat, who belongs to Delhi, he is with us, and I want to know that what he has got from the training and what all things has helped him, which from which with which goal he do have joined the GFE group, and what all things he do have got from the training itself. So wants to know from himself. Hello, Rajat. As we already have conversation, as you already have informed our team that you belongs to Delhi, and just on 7th of March you have joined the training, and just now you have completed. Okay.
Yeah.
So first question, my first question to each and every student is that, first of all, kindly give me your background, your educational background, your family background, so that other students can understand the things.
Okay. So actually, I'm right now pursuing BBA honors from Gurgaon.
Okay.
And I have lived in Mumbai for 10 years, and then I got shifted to Delhi, and my father works in defense. So I'm the only one who is like switching the career sides, and I'm getting into business. So yeah, when I first got the idea, I had no whatsoever no knowledge about how do I start the business, what all documents am I going to require, and what is the process to basically do all the small things that you don't people don't tell you when you get into any business. So when I then I saw the advertisement on internet one day of Imp Experts, and then I thought maybe I should give it a try, and then I applied for the classes. So after I started, when I took my first class, it was I felt that there were a lot of things that I found that I learned new. Okay, so before that, I had the knowledge of export business, but it was like from only from like top of yeah.
Superficial. It was so superficial. Means knowledge was so superficial. Can understand.
Yeah. So after attending all the classes, I started like researching about all the topics that I was learning from the teachers who took the classes. So right now I feel I can get into the business with minimum risk, because I know like all the points that I have to pay more attention than other things. So yeah, the picture got clear than before.
Much clearer, correct.
Yeah.
And even as we are having word with that only, I do came to know, means you must have encountered many of the things which the questions even may not have arisen in your mind before joining this training. You must have can understand when you are talking. So great to know all these things. Okay, now here, see, I do have said some of the questions you must not be having, even those questions has been cleared, arised, and not even arised at that time, somebody other students do have asked those questions and do have cleared at that time only. Okay,
Yes.
that, which questions you already do have, as you already have said that you many of our students, even I must say 50 to 70% of our students do have the knowledge of import exports very much superficial. Okay?
Yeah.
So superficial knowledge means they needs to understand many of the things, and they needs to work on study on the same points a lot. Fine. As per your superficial knowledge, you must be having some queries. Okay? Did those queries cleared while the training?
Yes, I think actually there were a lot of queries that I cleared while during attending the classes, because as I told you, only had the knowledge, superficial knowledge about export, and the all the points regarding to documentations and how do you find the product, how do you find the supplier and customer, and the shipping related international laws that are present, and who is going to take the responsibility of the product, and all of those things that I learned during the classes were very useful for me.
Great enough. Even I'm so happy by listening all these things that your doubts has been cleared, your questions has been cleared, means your smile is proving that all things. Yes, I'm so happy. Okay, now other than that, just give me an example that which you were not even heard of some of any of the thing. Recently, this question has came in my mind that you even not have heard or don't know anything about it. That thing has came in front of you in a very practical way while the training. Anything like that?
As far as I know, ma'am, I had no clue about the international laws that are present while exporting and also importing. So that after getting to know all of those things, I asked some of my relatives, and they gave me a practical point of view of all of those things, which I clearly had no idea of before. I only used to think that I just have to ship my product and all of my responsibility gets over. But that has to be decided from both buyer and the seller on an agreement. So that was the thing.
Great. Good to listen all these. Even additionally, so many other things are there. Thank you for giving me an example. I literally have asked you a very specific question, and literally you have answered very specifically with the example. Good to know means, see, understand, before proceeding in import export, we are suggesting our students let go with a safer side.
Yeah.
Legally, use MOUs, means whichever documents you should have ready beforehand. Beforehand. Okay, then you no need to worry about each and you no need to worry about anything. Even after that, GFE group is there with you. If you are proceeding in the same way with GFE group is guiding you, GFE group is always with you. And good to know all these that legal things you may come to know. You even have studied for the same thing. Okay, now after that, one more thing, Rajat, your preferred product in which you would like to be.
Actually, ma'am, I was thinking about choosing products related to food and agriculture, because as I live in Delhi, I know some people who are into those products, and I could acquire them easily as compared to other. But I'll also like first do the research because right now I've not decided what I'm going to choose. So yeah.
Fine. Okay. Now here, as you have said, you need to go for the research. Is the research has been taught to you in the training?
Yeah. It had been like how do you find a product? It's HS code, and about how you can look for the list on the government sites, and how you can apply for the documents on government sites, and for the RCMC and all of those things. Yeah, they have told me about all of those things.
Great. Now, I must say you start your research by yourself, and this much you know, it's already been taught, it's already been trained with the study material, it's already been given to you. Okay, now you start your research. Just for the basic thing I want to know, I am telling you that if you want to proceed for agro product, the RCMC, research cum membership certificate, you must be aware about it. It's already training. Okay, are you aware about which RCMC is applicable for agro products?
No, ma'am, not right now. I did not look into that.
Research. Yeah, no issues. That is APIDA. That is APIDA. Okay, for your knowledge, I'm thinking. Fine. Other than that, as you are interested in a food product, okay, for that you need to take the FSSAI license as well.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a kind of consultancy, a suggestion, a guideline, you can say whatever. Okay, but as you have told me your product, that's why I'm guiding you for these things. Okay, so you go with that only. And if that APIDA is APIDA is you must know APIDA is generated from the EPC Export Promotion Council. Okay, take that RCMC. Okay, that's called APIDA, and the APIDA RCMC itself is going to help you a lot. Help you out. This is a body, and EPC is the body, Indian central body, which is going to help you out in import export a lot. Okay, so your next step, I am telling you, okay, after firm registration, GST, you all know that. After that, you need to apply for your RCMC, that is APIDA. Then you need to go for the FSI if you want to go for the food, packaged food, processed food, any kind of those food you want to proceed. Then you don't need to go for FSI as well. Okay, and of course, we are going to discuss this in detail, one to one. Of course, our whole of the team is with you when we are proceeding for the same. You start research. Yes, please.
Ma'am, I do have a question. Like, if I have any queries in future, like when I'll start, I'll definitely need some guidance. So, whom should I contact, and like, I should on which mail or which number, or to a specific person? I just want to know that.
Okay, the help desk number is already given to you.
Yeah.
Help desk number. It's already been means available on our everywhere, on all the social media platforms, on our website, everywhere it is. As you are the part of our family, you can mail us on helpdesk@impactexperts.com. That is even given to you, okay, for your assistance. Even for all the viewers, I must say, for you even, our GFE Pro application is there. You can download it from Google Play Store, okay, and there even you need to log in as a student.
Okay.
2 options are available there. I'm guiding you here only. 2 options are available.
What about iOS?
iOS?
Yeah.
iOS certificate?
No, the app on iOS.
iOS. Okay. iOS phone, for that even version is there. So you can send me a mail, so I may send you the link as well.
Okay.
iOS needs to go with Class Plus. Then in Class Plus, you can download the GFE app.
Okay.
Okay, so this way iOS is there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine, thank you, Rajat. And lastly, any comment for training or for GFE? Anything you would like to know?
Ma'am, actually, I think that GFE and the training included has helped me in a lot of ways, because I really felt like my confidence, which was at 20% at the beginning, is right now more than 75 to 80%, because because of the knowledge that I have gained. And I think after gaining the practical knowledge, like doing it for 1 or 2 times, I will increase my confidence to a lot new heights.
Of course, Rajat. Of course, that's a great achievement that just now you have completed your training and you have not started your research yourself. Still, you have gained the confidence of 75%. That's really an achievement. That's called, I really do myself consider as a success. Yes, within a one, if you can proceed from 20 to 75, so you can understand that within next 1 month, what you are going to get, what you are going to, we can assume it. So thank you, Rajat. It was great to have word with you and great to know that what all things you have gained from the training itself. Not only the knowledge, not only the guidance, additionally the confidence. Of course, the GFE training is designed in such a way, individual based. I am again and again saying individual based. The training is been designed in such a way. The faculties are delivering the things in such a way that complicated thing is delivered in a layman language that each and every person can understand. The whole of the crowd, right from the layman, right, and additionally the person who is NRI or who is staying in USA, means whole of the session is created in this way that all the people can help each other with their knowledge. So good to know about you, about your background, about your future plans as well. And of course, the GFE group is always there with you. Wish you all the very best for your international business career.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rajat. So he was Rajat from a recent batch who do have took his training and completed his. And as he himself has said that he do have a superficial knowledge about the import and export. Right now, just completed his training just 10 days before, and he do have not started his research by himself. Still, he do have got the knowledge, the basic knowledge, the guidance, and the confidence he do have raised in himself. So great. With the same reference, I, Shraddha Upadhyay, would like to request you kindly join GFE Group for to achieve your goals in the field of import and export. So kindly join GFE family. And additionally, I would request you to kindly subscribe Impactspert channel, Impactspert YouTube channel, so that you can come to know about what all new things are we are going to apply in our field, and what all things are going on in import and export field, and what GFE group is contributing for the same. So this is Shraddha Upadhyay, Impactspert Network, GFE Group. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.